Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters.
Where are we?
We are on airlines.
Airlines! Nasa airport.
Airlines to.
Nasa airport pa lang tayo.
Masarap dyan.
Guys, we're here at
Airport.
immigration.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is March 12 and it's currently 6:08 AM and we're here at NAIA Terminal 3. And actually kanina pa kami tapos sa mga immigration, travel tax and such. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang hassle, ang dami na yung bitbit. But now, naghihintay na lang kami ng pagsakay namin ng plane. And we're going to eat our breakfast from Tapa King. So, here's Joeyce. Say hi, Joeyce. So, see you later na lang sa airplane if makakapag-vlog ako. Bye! Hi guys! So, labas na kami ng airport. Papunta na kami sa bus terminus kasi ayun yung transpo papunta sa hotel namin. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog na kinuha naman ng octopus card and nag-withdraw yung Samsung. Sobrang Samsung. Hi guys! So, we're on our way to the hotel. Nandito na kami ngayon sa bus nila. It's a double deck or gas purchase na.
You fall a long way down.
So, pagpasok niyo ng room, ayan, agad yung may kita niyo. Sorry sa kalat kasi, like, naligaw kami, super pagod. Kaya kinuha ko na yung water dun sa luggage namin. And dito sa left side, yung bathroom nila. Pagka ng bathroom, ayan, kita mo agad itong bowl. Tapos, may mirror lang dyan. Tapos, baso. Tapos, good thing may blower sila. Tapos, sink. Tapos, sabitan ng hand towel and pati na lang may towel sila. Though wala silang toiletries kasi nasa law ng Hong Kong na parang magiging another expense na siya sa mga tourist or sa mag-check-in. May nakalagay toilet paper. Tapos trash can. Wala lang silang bidet guys. Tapos ito na yung shower area. Pilagay na kayo ng shampoo and sabon and such. Tapos ito na yung ano nila, 3-in-1. Shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. Pero feel ko hindi siya good for my hair. So, ayan lang. And, paglabas natin, may 2 beds lang. Dito yung switch. Dito yung lagayan ng keycard. Si aircon. Yan. Tapos may mirror again for my OOTD. Tapos may cups lang dyan and kettle. Tapos may 2 frame tea. Tapos pag inopen mo to, pwede ka maglagay ng gamit. Tapos may hanger. Andito yung slippers kanina. Gamit ko na siya. Tapos may fridge lang dito sa baba. Tapos another trash can. Tapos may TV lang here. Tapos when you go here, sorry guys, sobrang kalat kasi kakarating lang namin, sobrang pagod. Ayan yung view namin. Sabi ng tatay ko, parang nasa Northport, like yung sa business namin. Ayan. Pero we had no choice kasi ito yung kasama sa airlines na hotel. So, ayun lang guys. So, here na kami mag-late lunch sa 7-Eleven kasi ito yung malapit sa hotel namin. Actually, sa baba lang talaga siya hotel namin. that, more lakad again. Papunta naman sa designated bus to Macau. That's the Macau immigration. Hey guys, so we're on our way to the Sands, which is Antonio Venetian, Londoner, and such.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade.
So right now guys, we're here na sa Londoner and sobrang ganda ng view. Ganda ng mundo, pero look at that. So beautiful, especially this one. And this one too. So here's my siblings. My parents nagpo-potshot sila.
The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four wheels to the blade, right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall.
Now we're here at Taipa Ferry Terminal. Ayan, bumili na sila ice cream and drinks. Tapos dito kami bibili ng food. Tapos si Tonyo nandun sa Indian food and si tatay. So, pakita ko na sa inyo yung food later. Okay, so it's currently 9:30 PM and pabalik na kami ng Hong Kong or from Macau. Yun sila. Touchdown Hong Kong with what's this? A card. So let kami for immigration and mag-MTR bus tapos bus again. Daming process. So bye! Hi guys, we're on our way to Hong Kong Disneyland. Nakalabas lang namin ng mall and late na kami kasi past 9 na nag-open yung Hong Kong Disneyland around 10:30 AM. I bring water kasi sobrang mahal ng water dito and mainit na din. So ayan, walk lang kami papunta sa may shuttle bus ng hotel. Malapit na kami sa shuttle bus. Ayun yung shuttle bus guys. Kasi yung check-in na namin hotel is parang siyang isang buong village or compound na may mga iba't ibang condo and hotels. Hi guys, we're on the way to Amorgan or MTR to ride which we need to go to Disneyland. So after tapping your MTR, akyat na tayo ng papunta sa Sunny Bay na line kasi yung sa babang line is Tung Chung line ata or Hong Kong line, I don't know, basta ito, akyat kami dito sa 4th floor kasi ito yung dadaan ng Sunny Bay. This from Sunny Bay na kami sasakay ng Disney na MTR. Okay guys. Hi guys, so we're out here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Say hi! Inside na guys and sobrang init. Here's the fountain. Kanina is may arc. Ang daming tao. Tier 1 pa lang to. Paano ba pag tier 4 na? So, kakatapos lang namin sa security check. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa pagsistam ng ticket para makapasok sa mismong Hong Kong. First stop is Iron Man and Ant-Man kasi ito yung near dun sa may entrance.
每隻機械蟲都有弱點，當佢哋打開晒面後，就係暴露弱點嘅時候，用脈衝槍對準弱點時腳收埋喺戰車裏。
We're now entering Iron Man experience. Did you enjoy? Welcome to Hall of Legacy, where the booster began. Museum Mador may right. So we're gonna wear these 3D glasses for Iron Man. We're waiting na lang here sa line. After the ride, we're here na sa store ng Ant-Man, ay ng Avengers. Ewan ko ka na to, Marvels. We're now here at Iron Man show, waiting in the line.
So how does it feel to stand here beside a real superhero? I'll tell you, it feels pretty cool to me. We gotta get a picture.
Okay, we stop.
So now we're going to the Royal Banquet Hall. Or basta yung may mga princess. Hi guys. Now we're going to see Ariel. Lining up here sa may Royal Hall. Sakto yung damit niya, Ariel.
Hello everyone, hello! Of course! Oh, hello there! Enjoy your adventures! Goodbye!
Going to eat here sa Royal Banquet Hall. So, daming tao. So, here's our food. I ordered this from Gail and sila for water. So, guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-eat na lunch. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Frozen Ever After. So, here's the world of Frozen. So, andito lang kami ngayon sa Frozen Ever After. Magabit na lang kasi na-excite na ako. Ewan ko, para ako naiiyak kasi we're happy. Kaya nasa pila mo kami. Hi guys! We're here na sa Frozen Ever After. Nakasakay na kami sa
When I finally do what frozen things do inside.
We're now here sa Small World. Patapos lang namin sa isang ride. I forgot the name. So here na kami. Sakay kami dito sa isa Small World. It's one of the cool attractions.